Hey guys, I almost forgot my camera and I was already on my way out. And I said, no, we have to vlog today. So hey guys, what's up? You can hear the rooster over there, but I am on my way. Well, I'm barely on my way actually. Not really on my way yet. But I'm on my way to hang out with my friend Natalie. I think we're gonna go ahead and get some lunch today. Probably some sushi. And yeah, actually, let me just stop here because I have to look where to go. Because this is like a new sushi place we're gonna go to. That's like halfway between where she lives and where I live. So yeah, and I recently dyed my hair so it looks pretty red. I wish it was more like sunlight, but. And I'm wearing this like workout set. So like I said, we've never been to this sushi place before, but I'm kind of excited. Oh my god, no. Oh, it's an animal. There's an animal on the floor. I can't. Every time I see an animal on the floor, it just makes me sad. Okay, I'm just gonna stop filming and driving now. Hi, YouTube. So now, how's life?
It's great. I'm just kidding.
Nat's living her best life with like one class. I'm just kidding.
No, it's two.
No, 2 classes.
I only go to campus twice a week, so I'm living.
You're literally living your best life. I actually just checked today. I checked like everything and I can actually graduate next semester, but I'm just not gonna do it because
Why?
Because I'm not gonna walk this semester. I'm still gonna walk into the next, so I might as well just take some classes in spring. Just split it and just have like 3 classes, fall semester and 3 classes. Spring semester. And then that way it would just be cool.
Take it easy.
And then I'd be living my best life. You know? Because your girl's stressed over here.
How many classes are you taking?
I'm taking 4, but that's 15 units.
Oh, yeah.
I said never again. Yet here I am. It's because one of my Italian classes is like 6 units. And then, but I like my classes.
That's good.
What classes are you taking?
In this religion class and this psychology of stress. Yesterday in class I love that class. It's kind of boring, but like the teacher's so sweet and we were doing like breathing exercises and stuff like that, and she's teaching us like we haven't gotten into that chapter but of like ways to cope with stress, and I'm just like I need that.
Same.
And the talks that we have in that class, I'm just like wow, I needed this class because she was like talking about stress and we talk about life stuff, so I'm just like okay, that's cool. I don't really participate, but I listen and just like
I hate you participate. That's participation points.
I don't think she does that. Last semester all of my teachers wanted me to participate and points for everything.
My life. Now you look good.
Hello. Okay. And we're fine.
What is it?
There's mushroom in there. It's good.
Hey guys, so it's much later in the day. I actually took a nap and everything, but I am gonna go ahead and get my clothes ready. I just washed some clothes. And today I'm gonna film the full face of Maybelline video. Because I bought a bunch of things. I just need to like wash a couple of my brushes because they're kind of dirty. And I'm also gonna go to Burlington with my mom. I forgot for what. She just wants to spend time with me, so I'll probably vlog that. And I'm wearing my Trap Soul hat that I got at the Bryson Tiller concert tour last August. Yeah, so yeah, very excited. My mom actually got me this, I think at Burlington. Actually bought one of these like cute little pictures that I could put in my room, and it just says too glad to give a damn. I'm sorry my vanity is really dirty, but isn't it cute? I love it. We out here. We're here with mom. Say hello, mom.
Hi.
She's so pretty. Mom's so stylish. My mom's favorite place. Shopaholic. Mom, your hair looks nice. My mom dyed her own hair recently. It looks really nice for the room. I guess. Okay. I'm also gonna buy this for the restroom. Let's put a little toilet papers in here. Okay, I like this one. Este me gusta, pero no va con mi room.
No, sí.
Try it. This is what I'm gonna get. I like these chairs. I like this red one actually. This is my section, but mom says no more mugs, please. Sad. Okay, so we're going to Michael's now because you know we're those customers that go in 10 minutes before the store is about to close. Right. A las 9. Oh, cute stuff for Valentine's Day. I need these. These are cute. I wish I had the time and patience to make cute things for like my room, but nope. I forgot how cute like planner things they had here. When you just want to have like 30 planners. And last stop of the night because my mom is the shopaholic. She said she just wants to go for one thing that she saw last time and that's it. This is like the most perfect thing. I love this. Imagine. I love this. Your life is decorating your house. Goals. Oh, these are cute for a house. This is what I got from Michael's, which is basically a like really small sticker book, and I thought it was really convenient for like my planner and stuff, and it has just like really cute smaller stickers, and I like the cherries here. So from Michael's, my mom got this like be our guest sign and this O because she's gonna make like some like sort of spring wreath, and the O symbolizes like our family and last name. I'll show you guys at Burlington. My mom got this Happy Easter basket, got some makeup moving wipes. And then I got both of these. And this one just says enjoy the little things, and this one says think happy, be happy. And I thought it was really pretty to put in my room. I think I'm gonna make a video of me just organizing my room and like the things that I use or where I buy the things. But yeah, this is what my mom's bathroom currently looks like. That is so cute. And a little Easter basket. A little toilet paper. Oh, I love it. Okay, so I just got the new cherry mocha frap at Starbucks, and it's supposed to be, I think, Valentine's Day related, I guess, because they also had like a cake pop that was for Valentine's Day. So do with that. So we're gonna go ahead and try it because, you know, why not? I have quite a few things to do tonight actually. It's pretty late. It's like 10 right now. But I have to film my video for tomorrow. I have to write my essay for my... I haven't really gone into detail about like me going to Italy and stuff. I totally forgot that I had said in the video that I was going to go into more detail, but I just haven't. But I'm going to make a whole video about it. Thank you. You too. I got a venti because your girl needs it. But, so I'm going to Italy, and the reason I'm going is because I'm taking an Italian course over there. So what they're gonna do is that before we go to Italy, they're gonna go ahead and test us on how much Italian we know, and then from there they're gonna put us in our respective like classes and stuff. Actually doing my second year of Italian because for my Spanish major, I want to put the light on, I'm sorry, because for my Spanish major, if you guys didn't know, I have to do 2 years of another language, so I'm pretty much in my last semester, but I wanted to go ahead and do this just to give me more knowledge in Italian, as well as just to interact with Italian people, because I feel like that's the best way to learn a different language, is to interact with people and make conversations with native people. I think it's going to be such a great experience, and I am going to go. So the classes are from the 2nd of July until the 28th, but I am going to be going June 26th and leaving August 1st, just so I have a couple days to be a tourist and do tourist things, like go to like different places in Italy. Like I said, I'm gonna go into more detail on my main channel. I'm probably gonna make like a video, and I'm probably gonna make like budget videos because I do have to save a lot of money, and going to Europe takes a lot of planning. So I'm also excited for that. So let me know if you guys would like to see that. I know this isn't my main channel, but that's pretty much what I'm going to be talking about. I'm definitely going to be vlogging in Italy, which is the most exciting part of it all. I'm gonna try this right now actually. I don't know if you guys can see, it has like pink. Okay, let's try it. Because I know I'm boring y'all with like just nonsense. It tastes so good. I'm actually not very particular of like cherry taste, but I love how cherries look, which is something so weird. But yeah, like I've always wanted a cherry tattoo, but I actually really like that. I like the mixture of the cherry with the mocha. It's really, really delicious. Yeah, I should try it out.